Hello Minglaba and welcome back food lovers. Today we're going to make a drink that's currently all the rage on the other side of the Atlantic. It's a brown sugar boba pearl bubble tea drink invented by this company called Tiger Sugar from Taiwan. It's just arrived on the shores of New York and people are having to queue up for an hour just to get hold of this drink. Don't worry if it hasn't arrived in your town just yet, because I will show you how to make this drink at home. So here we go. So let's begin with a list of the ingredients. This bubble tea doesn't require too many ingredients and it looks amazing when you prepare it for your friends. The first ingredient are the black sugar tapioca pearls. You can find these ready-made from your local Asian grocery store. "100 grams of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla flavoring. 25 ml of water. Some full-fat milk. And 100 ml of cream. So those were the ingredients. The first thing that we need to do is to boil the tapioca pearls for about 10 minutes. Let's listen to the sound they make. Anyway, back with the video. That was my first and only venture into ASMR. When the boba pearls have cooked, take the pan off the heat and drain the water. Then immediately put them into a bowl of cold water. When the boba pearls are cooling, we can make the brown sugar syrup. You do this by boiling the water and the sugar together. The secret is to keep on stirring the mixture until it boils, and also making sure that the temperature is not too high. Eventually the mixture will begin to boil and form a syrup. At this point, add about 3 tablespoons of the cream and stir in. What this does is it helps the mixture to remain as a syrup rather than turn back into sugar crystals when it cools. Then take the pan off the heat and let it cool. The last thing that we need to do before assembling the drink is to prepare the vanilla cream. You do this by adding the cream, white sugar and vanilla into a large mixing bowl. Then mix it using an electric whisk. We're aiming for a whipped cream consistency, but not too firm. And now to assemble the drink, begin by spooning the tapioca pearls into the glass. Then adding the brown sugar syrup over the pearls and also making sure that you coat the sides of the glass to achieve the so-called tiger stripes. Pour the ice-cold milk into the glass over the boba pearls. And finish off by adding the vanilla cream on top and serving with a straw. So that's how you make brown sugar bubble milk tea. Let's give it a quick taste. It tastes like a dessert in a glass, and the chewy tapioca pearls are a bonus. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.